What's up? We're doing another outbreak. It's 16. I have the boob. I have the Uber 11 that most of y'all like. Bouncy Uber's out. She does a ton of damage. She just has slow attack rate. Wait. I know all y'all are down bad, so I'm just putting her out because y'all down bad. Send out lady with no legs. These videos are more. These videos are less quality than shit I took in the morning. RZ cat. Oh, come on! I wasted that cat laser. They died immediately. RZ cat laser. Captain Sauce. Don't copyright claim me. Oh. That's not good. That's not good at all. Kill these. Oh, wait, what are y'all doing? Oh, I'm just waiting here. Get that last hit on, come on. I'll take that, yeah, I'll take that, send free cat food. Want me to... So, wait, didn't we get comfort cat on like the bouncing thing? Sorry that my first two videos were literally just silent. No sound. That's because I literally forgot to put sound on like a dip one. Well, that's it. Most boring as shit thing. I'm saying that. Bye. See you in the next one, bro.